Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, what is our adventure today?
We are headed into the SageNet Center for the 2025 Route 66 Road Fest.
Let's go adventuring.
There's a bit for everyone here, including the kiddos. So there is a activity area where they have mini golf, Hot Wheels track. They have a Pine Derby race course, but this is the Hot Wheels track. That's pretty neat.
Do you want to get a Hot Wheels car while we're here? They have a booth back there.
And we can race it?
I think so.
Okay, let's get 2 Hot Wheels and race them. So we decided to do an activity. We had to go purchase 2 activity tickets, one per person, and we're gonna pick a car, and they put it in their container over here, and they race them on the hour, every hour until the event's done, I think.
How much was the activity ticket?
$1. So we spent $2 on one each. Here we go, we're gonna pick our cars.
I'm gonna destroy Danny with this. Hope you pick a good one. I found mine instantly.
Let me see, what'd you pick?
I'm going for speed.
Oh, of course, of course. Oh, there's a cake truck.
I don't think a cake truck is gonna be the Lambo.
There's a cake truck right there too. All right, which one? Oh, that one's fun. This is my racer.
School.
This is my racer.
Okay, we'll see how we do. I've got the white Lambo. She has the Barbie Corvette. See this long track over my shoulder here. They're gonna get dropped down and then spin around. And then you have a finish line over here. No way is Danny gonna beat me today.
3, 2, 1. I see a pink one on 5.
Pretty sure the Lambo just won.
No. And
I think Barbie wasn't. I think Barbie was last.
I think Barbie was last.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After beating the Barbie Corvette in the first race, the Lambo advanced to the second, and I also won first place in that, so it looks like I'm going to the championship. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go Lambo, go Lambo, go Lambo.
Oh,
go.
shoot.
Oh, hey. Look at that. So fast it was gonna do it again. 4.4. Hey, grand champion. How do you
Congratulations.
feel? Thank you. You guys, I cannot believe I just won first place in the Hot Wheel Racing Challenge. My white Lambo won 1, 2, 3 races in a row.
Everybody go up front.
With a fast time of 4.442 seconds.
All right, we're gonna go get your car. Let's go get it. All these little kids and then Sawyer.
Sawyer.
Woohoo! Here we go. We gotta get your picture over here.
The fastest car in the entire Route 66 Road Fest right here, the white Lambo.
And last place, Barbie Corvette.
Look at this, first place. Incredible.
That was out of 3 races.
Incredible.
And like, how many cars?
Undefeated champ. A lot. Undefeated champ. I love it.
Congratulations. Everybody just wish him congratulations in the comments.
Thanks in advance.
Pedal car
they have a
racing.
tire track set up. They've got all of these bikes.
You just pedal around the little track.
There's an interactive art mural. And they're doing a couple paint classes throughout the day.
Here's some of the paintings that they've already completed. Looks like they're setting out to dry. Here we are entering the section called The Future of Mobility.
What are we looking at here?
A car. It says a hydrogen It's powered by hydrogen. And then we've got electrical vehicles. It's your juice box. Clever.
When was the last time you saw a Plymouth Prowler?
It's been a minute. This one's real pretty. I got a jumbo corn dog.
I leave you for 1 minute and you come back with a 2-foot corn dog?
Yes. We're headed into the eras, starting in the 1920s. These are always so cool. It has all the theming for that decade. Cars, costumes, all the things. Not only do these areas have awesome cars, but it has a ton of information about Route 66 and all of the cool facts from that decade. We are headed into the 1930s, and when we were over at the Moonlight Art Factory booth, they had a sheet of a scavenger hunt. So I decided to give myself a little challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So the first one is in the 1930s, and we need to find a motel with a wheel. So here, let's go find it. Motel with a wheel. Not headed that direction.
That's what everybody keeps telling me.
We're going the other way.
Nobody had California tell us that's not the same drive.
You got it.
So Danny really likes the Dust Bowl and learning about the history of it. She's read multiple books. We did have the...
Like it? No, don't like it. It's just interesting to learn about. It was a really hard time, guys.
Well, you're invested in the history.
I am invested in the history. That is true. But that happened in the 30s.
I found the answer to your Q&A. Wagon Wheel Motel.
Oh, there she is.
In Cuba, Missouri.
There she is. I'm gonna take a picture so I have proof that I found it. These are so cool to look at.
Did you know that in the 20s and 30s, the Route 66 was known as Gangster Alley
No,
because of all of the criminals that would come through?
makes sense. Let's head into the 40s, guys. 1940s, the U.S. at war. The Mother Road does her part.
Now, I'm from Abilene, Texas.
Oh, okay.
Came on up here to Tulsa because of the route. I heard there was great stuff. A lot of prosperity.
Oh yeah, definitely. All the oil.
Exactly.
We found it. It's called the Catsup Bottle Tower in Collinsville, Illinois.
Got Captain America on the wall. I like it. Oh, is that right?
We're headed over here to the 1950s. You're entering Coolsville.
Hey!
Good.
We will.
We
That's
just ran
Reese.
into Reese, the Route 66 Association.
1950s here.
All right, 1950s, a motel shaped like teepee. All right. Oh, they got the drive-in in here. Red Hot Chevrolet
Wow.
with the fins. Wigwam Motel in Rialto, California. Headed to the 60s on Route 66. Here we go. In our Corvette. Well, would you looky there?
Hey. You got Carl the chef right there.
Carl the
giant that likes to
chef.
cook.
Carl the chef. I'm writing that. Carl the chef is a new addition. Springfield, Missouri. I'm gonna have a Beatles song stuck in my head all day.
What do we have left here?
We have the 70s and 80s and then 1990s to today.
70s, 80s. What do we got? A whale that's always smiling.
I have a feeling I know who that is.
I bet it's in Catoosa. Are
I
we in the
bet.
right spot?
I bet it is in Catoosa.
Salutations, friends.
Hey.
Hi. Okay, we are headed to, I think, the last booth of our Eras tour.
What are we looking for?
A soda pop bottle taller than a building.
I
And
see it. I see it already.
Well, let's head
In the
straight there.
distance. In the distance. It's right there. Where are we going? We are headed right down the road to Pops.
It says a gold sign and a green giant.
Oh, we weren't looking for those.
I think I might have found him over here. I would say maybe that's him. The Gemini giant is a green giant.
Go for it.
And then the next one, a gold sign.
Is there a meadow gold sign?
Ooh.
There is, dear. Meadow Gold District.
Well, this is the area where you can go in and learn about like Route 66 associations and all of the from Chicago to Santa Monica.
We got
Hi.
Kansas here.
Your van is like, we're like, woo.
Congrats on your first place there.
Hey, thanks. Fastest Hot Wheel in the building.
He gets first place and then like little kids get second and third. He's the
Hey.
biggest kid in this place.
Spinning the Kansas wheel.
Ooh, that's a nice sound.
Oh, that was not very. I got a 10.
10.
Hey!
Nice
Ooh!
Oh, I want a
That's
10.
Sweet.
Oh geez, that wasn't very good. I got
You
a
got
1.
a 1.
So you're gonna walk away with something.
Heck yeah.
Someone remembers why.
Awesome. The sunflower state. Give me some sunflower seeds.
Yes.
Home of the 72-ounce steak. Holy cow.
Headed over to the vintage RV area. We're buying a camper at some point in our life.
So we can be living the dream. Look, this one's a chandelier.
How cute. We have made it to the Route 66 Road Fest car show car floor. Well, where all the shiny, pretty cars are.
This thing is so long. This would take up our entire driveway.
This would also if you were to open it, it would like scrape the top of your shoe. Nuts.
What? I thought it was Doc Hudson, but it's actually Betty. That'd be so cool to have and just drive one of these around.
Yes.
A lot of cars down here.
So many cars, all different colors, all different types, all different years.
Do you have a favorite one that you've seen so far?
No.
No. You don't have a favorite?
No, I just like seeing chrome and
What about
shiny
straight
paint.
ahead? Not
That
the
is-
trash can, but past the trash can.
No, obviously not the trash can. That
It's
is
just
pretty
sitting
sweet.
there. It's like picture perfect.
And the glass right here has etching on it. Well, that's really neat.
Oh, it's got a Tommy gun in the back seat. Yeah.
This is amazing.
This is sweet. I don't know how well you can see it, but the Rolls Royce has a bottle of Grey Poupon in the cup holder. And the way the lights just reflect off is so nice to see. Everything's got like an extra sparkle to it. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Route 66 Road Fest.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday, and head over to our Facebook page and our Instagram page and follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure.